Did you know that over 60% of engine failures are caused by poor lubrication and harmful oil additives? That's right. While some additives claim to boost performance and extend engine life, many actually clog oil passages, corrode metal, and even destroy your engine from the inside out. Before you pour that miracle additive into your engine, you need to know the hidden dangers lurking in some of these products. In this video, we are going to uncover 6 oil additives that could be slowly killing your engine and why you should never use them. Number 1. Chlorinated additives, corrosion and acid formation. Chlorinated additives contain chemicals that break down under heat and pressure, releasing hydrochloric acid inside the engine. This acid eats away at metal surfaces, causing accelerated wear on pistons, bearings, and cylinder walls. It also damages rubber seals and gaskets, leading to oil leaks and increased oil consumption. Engines that experience moisture buildup are even more vulnerable, as the acid spreads more rapidly in humid environments. Over time, this corrosion weakens internal components, leading to reduced efficiency, overheating, and eventual engine failure. Number 2, PTFE Teflon additives, clogging and overheating. Clogging and overheating, PTFE, commonly known as Teflon, is often marketed as a friction-reducing agent in oil additives. However, PTFE does not dissolve properly in oil, which means it settles and forms a thick sludge inside the engine. This sludge clogs tiny oil passages, preventing proper lubrication. Instead of reducing friction, PTFE buildup increases engine temperature and causes excessive wear. Oil pumps struggle to circulate thickened oil, which leads to overheating and poor performance. In some cases, PTFE deposits can also coat metal surfaces unevenly, creating hot spots and worsening engine efficiency. Number 3, zinc and phosphorus overload, ZDDP, sludge and catalytic converter damage. ZDDP is a useful anti-wear additive found in engine oil, but adding too much can create serious problems. Excessive amounts of zinc and phosphorus form ash deposits inside the engine, leading to sludge buildup and clogged oil channels. When oil passages are blocked, lubrication decreases, increasing friction and wear on internal components. In modern engines equipped with catalytic converters, high levels of ZDDP can poison the converter, reducing its efficiency and leading to costly emissions-related failures. While ZDDP is beneficial for older engines with flat tappet camshafts, adding extra doses in a modern engine can cause more harm than good. Number 4, solvent-based additives, stripping away protection. Some oil additives and engine flushes contain strong solvents, such as kerosene or diesel fuel, designed to dissolve sludge quickly. These solvents break down oil aggressively, causing sludge deposits to dislodge all at once. When this happens, large debris chunks can clog vital oil passages, starving engine parts of lubrication. Solvents also strip away protective oil films from metal surfaces. This leaves engine components exposed to increased friction, leading to accelerated wear. In older or high-mileage engines, a sudden flush with strong solvents can cause rapid deterioration, turning a minor sludge issue into a major engine failure. Number 5, boron and molybdenum overload, viscosity problems. Boron and molybdenum are friction modifiers used in small amounts in engine oil. However, excessive levels of these additives disrupt the oil's viscosity, making it too thick or too thin for proper lubrication. If oil becomes too thick, it struggles to flow through the engine, especially during cold starts when components need immediate lubrication. On the other hand, too much molybdenum can thin out oil too much, reducing its ability to provide proper protection under high pressure. When oil flow is compromised, wear increases, fuel efficiency drops, and the risk of overheating rises. Some high-performance additives contain extremely high levels of these elements, which can end up reducing engine lifespan rather than extending it. Number 6, thickening additives, starving the engine of oil. Some oil additives claim to restore compression and reduce oil burning by thickening the oil. While this may seem like a quick fix, thickened oil does not flow properly through the engine, leading to poor lubrication. The most dangerous time for an engine is during startup, when oil needs to reach critical components immediately. Thick oil takes longer to circulate, leaving metal parts exposed to friction and wear. Engines that rely on oil pressure to operate components, such as variable valve timing systems, can suffer serious damage when thick additives slow down oil flow. Oil pumps also have to work harder to move thickened oil, increasing the risk of premature pump failure. Instead of fixing the root cause of oil consumption or compression loss, thickening additives only mask the symptoms while creating new mechanical problems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert car care tips. Have you ever fallen for a bad oil additive? Share your story in the comments below. I read every one of them. Let's spread the truth and keep our engines safe.